today we are talking about how you can start a mini factory. Not Dangote. You have to start small first. You want to start doing dry pap. Now people dehydrate pap and it becomes like powder, like custard. Hi fam, welcome to another sweet episode on our channel, and today we'll be talking about starting a mini factory for dry production. Okay, when we say dry production, we talk about all those dry products that you need to wash, you need to dehydrate, you need to mill. If you remember in our previous video, I talked about how you can store garlic, but before you store garlic or onion, you first need to dehydrate and dry it. Okay, so today we are talking about how you can start a mini factory. Not Dangote. You have to start small first. How you can start a mini factory of dry products. When we say dry products, you may want to start doing dry pap. Yes, some people are looking at me like dry pap. Yes, gone are those days where you put pap inside water, it will be smelling for months before you drink it. Now people dehydrate pap and it becomes like powder, like custard. So you use it anytime you want to use it. So you may want to start dry pap powder. You may want to look at plantain flour. You may want to look at spices. You may want to look at finger millet. You may want to look at cassava flour. You may want to look at maize flour. Okay, so basically dry products. How do you start a mini factory? Basically, the question you should ask yourself is, what are the things that you need? Of course, definitely, when you get your item, probably, let's say if it's spices, you get your ginger or anything, you first of all salt. You salt, because most of all the things that come from the farm in Nigeria, most of them have stones and so many kind of dirt. So you first salt. After you sort it out, you sort the dirt out from the item. Then the first step is washing. Okay, so you may want to get a very small washing machine, which is the first step, because you have to wash all this dirt out. For example, if you want to think of what should I which example should I give you now? Say ginger, for example. So many people don't wash their ginger, but for me personally, I wash my ginger. Even if I'm getting dry ginger, I wash it, and you'll be amazed at the kind of dirt that comes in. Anytime I put my ginger at the ginger washing machine, the water that comes out is brown. So imagine if I'm not washing it, that is what I'm going to be grinding as powder for people. So I'm not saying those that don't wash it is not okay, but I'm just saying my conscience will not allow me. So I wash my ginger, whether it's dry or fresh. Imagine buying dry ginger already that is dry, out of season. I still wash it and you see the water brown. Okay, so the first machine you think about is washing machine. You get a small washing machine. After the washing machine, you get a slicing machine. So for people that want to do plantain flour, or people that want to slice the plantain, or you want to slice your fresh ginger, or you peel the back of your garlic, you want to slice the garlic so that it will dry easily, or you want to slice cassava, or you want to slice potato. Okay, you need a slicing machine, because I don't know how many you'll be able to use your hand to cut. So you need a small slicing machine. So after the washing machine, the slicing machine, you need a dehydrator. Okay, so there are so many locally fabricated dehydrators, but I don't advise. I always advise that let's stick with what we have comparative advantage of. It's so painful that Nigeria now want to do everything, even things that you know obviously you are failing. So I've seen a lot of very massive dehydrator, very big. You wonder what's these people they do now, for God's sake. You now see the kind of power consumption. You just put one dehydrator and you have whoop, whoop, whoop. And I'm like, God, I beg you. These people, okay, so I'm not discouraging you, but let's try to focus on our strengths. Okay, if you say solar dehydrator, fine, I have not used it, but the dehydrator that I have seen that they do and plug with light in Nigeria, and after many months, the something will pack. So most of my friends that did that fabricated dehydrator, you go to their factory, it's like a signage. Once you just go, you see them, they have used it as packing store. So please, if you don't trust, you don't know where to get the good ones, because I don't know. Anyway, all my dehydrators are imported. I know that I'm a strong believer of Nigeria. I preach more of exports. But then you can't. God is too powerful. You can't be the best in everything. If China is the best in this, US will be the best in this, Canadian will be the best in this, India will be the best in this, Nigeria will be the best in this. Look for your strength and promote it. Look for what you are not good at and pay for it. That is my own philosophy. Okay, I may be wrong, but don't judge me. Okay, so you can get a small imported dehydrator, which is what I recommend. 304 food grade stainless. 304 food grade stainless imported dehydrator. So you can get small one and for your dryer. So we talk about washing, we talk about slicing, we talk about drying. Then the next one is milling. Okay, I don't advise you to get this locally fabricated mill that you be grinding sometimes, see particle of aluminum and all that. Get a 304 food grade stainless milling machine, small one. Okay, after which you get a very small weighing machine and you get a very small sealing machine. With these items I've mentioned, washing machine, slicing machine, drying machine, milling machine, weighing machine, sealing machine, it can get you to start. Okay, and please don't ask me how much is it, because all of you know the way dollars used to do. Today is 400, tomorrow is 450, next tomorrow is 700. So I cannot give you the price because of dollar fluctuation. But what I can do for you is I'll give you 2 solid sites that you can get this. You go to Alibaba. I always advise, don't go to AliExpress. AliExpress is like you leave market and go to Jumia and go and buy a conga. They will slash your throat. Go to Alibaba. Most time, Alibaba, most of the people want you to buy in large quantity. You can tell them you want to get one first. For sample, if it's good, you buy more. Okay, you go to Alibaba and buy from Alibaba. The second place you can go is you can download Covermore. Covermore. C as in cat, A as in apple, V as in van, A for apple, and mall, M for mango, A for apple, L for lion, and L for lion. Covermore. Then you don't even need to exchange dollar. When you go there, you follow all the sign up, after you have signed up, then you sign in and you buy anything that you want to buy from China. Very cheap. You pay in your local currency and you bring it there. So all those machines that I have listed, if you want to know the price, go to that site and see the price for yourself instead of saying, baby, how much is it? Baby, how much is it? Baby, how much is it? Just go to the site, you see the price. Go to Alibaba. Alibaba, you will need to pay with your dollar card. Okay, so if you want to buy from Alibaba, you don't have dollar card, you go to your bank, open a dollar account and open a domiciliary account and request for a dollar card. Okay, then the third option, which is my sister that stay in Wuhan in China. Okay, I may give you her contact, but I'm not going to leave it in the link because YouTube is a public place. Okay, so if you want her contact, just send me hi on Instagram. My Instagram handle is at Miss Deborah Apochi. So just send me hi and please go straight to the point. Time is money now. So people will send hi. How are you? How is your family? Are you eating well? Did you just barb your hair? When are you barbing your hair? No, now. Pico, send me hi. Please, I watch your video. I need Rose's number. Shike now, I'll send you the number. Okay? Is that okay? Thank you so much for watching this episode with us. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much. I really do appreciate you. And if you are new to this channel, welcome to this robust and lovely family. Hope to see you same time next week. Thank you and have a wonderful and pleasant day. Bye.